Good day everyone. This is a video tutorial on how to calculate points in pips using the Crosshair toolbar on Volatility 75. This method I'm going to be teaching you today works only on Volatility 75. I don't know about other market indices. So this method only works on Volatility 75, okay? So using the Crosshair toolbar, you can activate it from the toolbar, okay? Or you can actually just use Ctrl F to actually activate the control toolbar. The crosshair tool, you can use it to calculate the number of bars formed from a particular point in time. Okay, so look at this trend now. So if I want to know the total number of candlesticks formed in this trend, I could easily just come to where the trend starts, click and hold down my right mouse, okay, then drag it down to where I wish to stop. Okay, so if you're looking at this point, okay, this point, you see that it's showing us we have 148 bars formed. 148 bars, that's the total number of candlesticks formed in this bar. But if you actually want to calculate everything in pips, you are not seeing the value in pips. So looking close, you see that these values are in what? Are in points. For example, you are getting 5,820,070. Okay, 70. So that's in points, but that's not in pips. So let's say you are trading a lot size of 0.001 and you wish to actually calculate the total value you would have gotten, like the profit you would have earned if you actually entered the market here from this top and actually exited the market from here. So the easiest way for you to calculate this, to get it the total amount in value you would have gotten, you have 5,820,070. Okay, so just come to your calculator, okay, 5,820,070 multiplied by 0.00001, okay, equals to, that is 58.2 USD. So that this is the profit you would have earned if you open this trade from this point, from this point to this point, okay, from this point to this point. So multiplying the points by 0.00001 will give you the actual amount in USD you are to earn. Okay, so that means the total movement was 58,000 pips. Okay, so that's how you actually calculate this, calculating from points to pips using the smallest lot size and Volatility 75. Okay, please like and subscribe.